Hey, this is FlyLady Premium Mentor Emma here with day 7 of our baby steps, our 31 baby steps. Before we go on, just a recap of what we're doing, what we're building up so far, and what should be sort of in your routines. As soon as you get out of bed, you need to get dressed to your lace-up shoes. Now, if you're watching this and you haven't done that yet, hit pause, go and get dressed, and then come back to me. I'll still be right here. Then once we're dressed, one of the other things we're doing is we're shining our sink before we go to bed every night, reading our emails from FlyLady or checking the app, because if you've got the app, that's if you have an Apple device, you can download the FlyLady Plus app. It's completely free, and it's really great to keep you going and on board, and it's kind of a good place to have a control journal. I use an app on my phone for my control journal, and I love it. It really made a big difference to me when I was able to start doing that. It's just so convenient for me. Look at your post-it notes is the next thing that we're doing. Remember, we wrote down reminders to shine our sink and to get dressed to the shoes. Also, you could write one to read your emails and stick it on your laptop or wherever. We're recognising negative voices and turning those around into a positive, and that one's so important. I can't stress how important that is. That will help you with just about everything else. And then yesterday we learnt about hotspots and putting out a hotspot. You need to do that sort of every day. Just spend 2 minutes putting out a hotspot. It might be that you have to work on the same hotspot every day. That's fine. You work on the same sort of 4 or 5 hotspots every day, because that's the reason they're a hotspot. They get cluttered. I won't show you my dining room table today because I've not been around for most of the day, and it's pretty darn scary, quite honestly. But it will take me probably 2 minutes. I'll set my timer when I'm done with this, and it will take me 2 minutes to fix what's going on here. And then our new thing that we're going to add in is to our before bed routine, and that is to lay out your clothes for tomorrow. Now, there's lots of reasons to do this that are really great. If you're running late, if you suddenly get called out or something like that, you can just fall out of bed and into your clothes. But more importantly, it just makes your day run more smoothly. It's just one less thing to think about in the morning, and it makes the day start off better. So, and you might think, oh, well, I don't need to lay my clothes out. I know what I want to wear. But actually, it does make a difference. Trust me on this. It's like shining your sink and getting dressed to the lace-up shoes. You kind of think, oh, why would I do that? And actually, when you do it, it really starts to make a big difference, and you appreciate it in the morning. And then one day something will happen and you'll need to get out of the house quickly for whatever reason, and you'll really appreciate it. What I do, I'm sorry, the dog's found a squeaky toy. That's the life in my house is never boring. So the way I do it is I check my calendar for the next day just to see what's going on, if I've sort of where I'm going, if I've got a lunch appointment or anything kind of that I need to wear something specific for. I also check the weather forecast, because you know that depends, especially at this time of the year. At the moment in England, the weather is varying quite a lot, and that will depend kind of what I decide to wear, so whether I'm going to wear like a roll neck or something a little bit less warm. You don't have to make it that complicated. You don't have to check anything. You can literally pull jeans and a sweater out and say, that's it, that's what I'm wearing, regardless. And that's good enough. Don't overthink it. Don't get caught in the perfectionism of it. It's about making your life simpler. And while some of these things might feel a bit much to start off with, and like they're awkward and clunky and that's hard, actually in the long run they'll become habits that you just don't even think about doing, and your life will get so much easier. Well, that's it for today. I am going to go and enjoy the rest of my time with my family today, and I will be back tomorrow with day 8. You all have a great day now.